guys, so today's tutorial is an exciting one. It's my first Halloween tutorial of the year and it's a scary one. So today I'm going to do Valak, I think that's how you pronounce it, from the Nun.
Be stuck in my head.
I've seen several creations of this and I figured why not try to do it myself. So I've honestly never done a tutorial like this before, so if you're a beginner then this is great. If you're an expert then you're probably going to be like, what the hell is she doing? So either way, let me know what you think in the comments below and let's get into it. Okay, so my face is washed, I don't have any makeup on. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take my prosthetic nose. It's actually made out of rubber and I'm gonna place it on because if you look in this picture, you can see that she does have a longer, kind of narrower nose. So this is a small rubber witch nose. I got it on Amazon. I know nothing about it. So I think you apply it with Spiritgum. I don't know. We're just gonna do it. So I'm gonna place it on my nose to see like where we need to put the Spiritgum. So it's gonna look a little crazy at first. Just bear with me. So I'm just gonna put it on my nose and like on the sides. And I'm just worried about the top right now. I'll fix the nostrils in a minute. Alright, so the nose is on, kind of. This is what we got. We're just going to go with it because I can't do it any better than this. So now I'm going to hide my eyebrows and I'm just going to use this glue stick and cover them. I'm going to take some loose powder. This is the Airspun, I think it's called, powder. And I'm just going to put it over my eyebrows. I'm just going to dust away some of that. And I'm also going to powder my nose. Just so that there's not any sticky spots. Because we are about to paint our face. Okay, so I picked up this paint set from Amazon. Looks like this, and we're gonna dip into this white shade. So now we're just going to set our whole face. So next I'm taking this contour powder by Purr and I'm just going to hollow out my cheeks. You can use any brown color that you have. Eyeshadows work too. And then I'm going to take this black eyeshadow from Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm just going to apply that to kind of add some depth to the hollows. Then I'm taking some of that brown and some of that black and placing that on the sides of my nose. So you guys can really see like how bad I did at gluing the nose on. I definitely needed to smooth out the edges around to make it look better. But now I'm just taking that black and brown shadow and just kind of putting that up towards my eyebrows. And I thought adding contour on a stippling brush would do something, but it really didn't do much. So go ahead and skip this part. I went ahead and took a black eyeshadow, wetted it, and then put it on a duo fiber brush, like you can see here. And I just kind of flicked it onto my face, which made kind of splatter marks. And then if they were too harsh, I kind of rubbed them in with my finger. I highly recommend doing this. It definitely makes your face look not so white and just adds dimension and stuff. And now I'm just mapping out where I'm going to put our black cream. So I'm just putting, you know, circles around my eyes and underneath. And then I'm taking the black paint from my little set and painting that where I just traced everything. This color ended up not looking as dark as I thought it would. I mean, it's black, but it's not as black as I was hoping for. So you'll see here in just a minute I went in with a black gel eyeliner from Pretty Vulgar. See here, see how much blacker it looks, and I just put that on top. So I highly recommend making sure you have a nice dark black. And also, you don't need to be precise with this. If you look at the character, she's very just kind of messy, so this is fine. Now you just want to add some veins. So I messed up here, as always. So I'm just taking white and kind of patting that over it. And then just adding more veins by the eyes and by the mouth. So just look at her picture and you'll be able to put veins where they need to go. And I'm also just making my under eyes look more tired with the black. And then I'm going to add some crow's feet in the corner because she does have crow's feet. So I'm just doing a couple little lines outside of my black that I did. Now I don't recommend this at all, but I didn't have a black lipstick, so I had to use that gel eyeliner again. This ended up just coming off and being awful, so don't do this. This is just for video purposes, but put it all over your lips, smudge it out, make it look nice and messy. Then I'm just going to add a couple more veins, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to take that duo fiber brush again and just kind of pat my face. And then I'm going to take that gel eyeliner and put that in my waterline. I'm going to do the bottom and the top of my eyes just to make sure everything is blackened out so that all you really see are the contacts that we're about to put in. And then I did go in with some icing to make my mouth black, but they do make like teeth sets. I don't know what it's called, but you can change the color of your teeth. So do that, or food coloring or something, but this is just what I had, so it's what I did. And then that is it. Now let's do the scary part. He's like, what the? It's okay. I have to try to sneak down there without him seeing.
Bro!
Alright guys, so this is it. Honestly, not even gonna lie, I would see myself in my reflection and be like, ah! But yeah, this was fun. I had a lot of fun doing this. Can't wait to do more tutorials. Probably not gonna be this scary. Look at my hands. But I do want to do some cute tutorials, kind of gory tutorials. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comments below. Hope you guys liked this. Thumbs up if you did. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys!